In this video, we are going to discuss about the cloud resources. So what is cloud resource or what is cloud computing? So cloud computing is the use of data center resources and software networks to dynamically allocate them and run applications for remote end users. So here if you can see, typically divided into three categories, which is private, public and hybrid. So these are called the cloud deployments, and these have grown rapidly in recent time because they are promising for cost savings and greater flexibility, and it can be accessed through the internet. And virtualization is the key for the cloud computing here, because if you see, by allowing physical servers to run one or more virtual machines on them on demand, you can see the cloud architectures offer rapid scaling. That means in one physical server you can install the client of the virtualization and you can deploy them into different servers, and also the efficient allocation of server resources on the fly. So depend on your requirement, you can give the allocations of the resources to the users who are using it. In the same way, private clouds refers to the cloud infrastructure dedicated to the single company and accessed by a private network, and you can see that the operating of servers managed either internally or through a third party provider. That means having a private cloud for a particular organization and accessing those resources and also maintaining it through the third party. So coming for many organization in highly regulated environment, you see this private cloud remains the solution of choice. So there might be some consulting businesses, there might be some insurance, banking sectors wherein this private cloud is required or it is the only solution of the choice here. So coming to the cloud infrastructure platforms such as OpenStack, you can take here, offer the framework for private cloud deployments and managing them. So the public cloud refers to the services such as Amazon Web Services, and also which sells server resources rather than a dedicated team or a dedicated physical servers accessed over a public network such as internet. So the coming to the hybrid cloud, you can see sometimes called as a cloud bursting, is the combination of multiple clouds. That means for a company there might be some departments which are very critical, so that this critical applications will be held on the private cloud, and on the public cloud we use some other resources. So it's clear, for example, a company could be a public cloud services company which uses them, but the temporarily bursts of activities are exceeded to the private cloud. So in that situation, some companies use private clouds for certain sensitive critical applications on the public cloud, and also you can see clearly that the private cloud and public cloud are used recently, very useful, so that your critical applications can be on the hosting on the private clouds and rest all applications can be on the public clouds.